just went up my sister. It was able to wrap itself in the swarm of the cocoon. It was bubbles and began to shape itself like it was when it began to follow itself. But now, God have mercy, I feel like preaching tonight. But now it's become too big for what it's being placed in. So some of you, oh God, have been in places and you become too big for where you were. So God had to put you in a place of isolation so you can begin to branch out, so you begin to spread your wings. Because the first thing that happens when the cocoon is broken, the wings begin to show. Oh my God, they begin to flutter their wings. They begin to stretch out a little bit. Oh my God, they begin to get their strength. Oh my God, in ways they didn't have strength before.